Meaning of hall.
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 Hall. Hall can have several meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can refer to a large room or building used for public gatherings or events, such as a concert hall or town hall. It can also refer to a corridor or passageway within a building that connects rooms or provides access to different areas. Additionally, hall can be used as a surname or as a shortened form of the word hallucination. In summary, hall has multiple meanings and its definition will depend on the context in which it is being used.